wasn't all that exciting. Uh-oh, I'm gonna fall here. I'm gonna go all the way across here. Oh, this guy's gonna be in here. Every time I get a pistol from like one of these houses, I immediately assume that someone next to me has got a shotgun, and then it's just gonna be fucking, it's gonna be painful. Let's see if I'm right about that. Gotta be over here. I don't think I'll be able to see him. Shit. Might as well get some heals before I do anything. Let's go. God damn! I'm playing Area 50. I'm playing Area 51 in the arcades where aliens is like just jump randomly at you. You know that game where you kind of you have to try your best to like not get things confused with the hostages when they pop out right in front of you. Remember that shit? Someone else is here, but on the other side. Okay. So yeah, the Area 51 arcade game, the on-rail shooter. Don't lie to me, guys. I'm pretty sure everyone here that played the game shot like a hostage or two by accident. Oh my god! What the fuck? What the shit? Oh damn! Accident. Let's go, let's go. That sounded like it was on... Sounds like it's on my side. Sounds like it's up here. I'm actually not all that sure where it was. I don't know, man. Let's go over here. Wait a minute. Did I just kill this guy? And I didn't... Wait a second. No, that wasn't me, right? I'm pretty sure that wasn't me. I didn't kill this guy. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think that was me. No way, dude. No. I didn't... Yeah, the guy from the outside got him, right? Yeah, okay. I was like... Okay. That's what I... Yeah. That makes more sense. I'm like, there's no way I could have gotten this guy. No way, dude. Shit. Alright, we gotta go. I was gonna say, man. There's just no possible way. Just in case, you know, if I need to scare anybody on that side. Okay. Let's go. Well, that was fun. That was a lot of fun. I just need a scope. That'd be nice. The scope would be beautiful. I'm doing pretty good. How are you? What's up with you today? Let's see here. There's probably going to be a guy with an S12 in that building over there. I'm putting myself out there too, so you'll probably see me. I'm just paranoid of anyone going up from behind me. Oh, there he is. I gotta be worried here. Might go up the stairs. There we go. Just waiting for that. 2x cheek pad. Okay. Oh, nice. I'm actually thinking about picking up the M4 for this one, so. And that's what I'm gonna do for now. What am I so full on right now? This one? I'm gonna use 2 energy drinks here. Okay. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, cool. No one will see my empty cans there. Nobody will. Oh, I think I just saw a guy up there. Yep, I did. Got him. Should be right up here. Nice. 4x. That's amazing. We gotta go. We gots to go. We got a long way to go, too. Stop littering, Grims. Damn. I forgot to cover my screen before I did that. Damn. Damn it. Oh my god, I realize I have Exodia in my hands. What? What the hell? When did that happen? I got all the parts. What? What? Oh my god. When you realize you've gained all the pieces to Exodia into your loadout and not even realize it. At first. Sorry. I keep saying it over and over again. I believe there was like a snipe shot around here. I don't know where. Let's just keep going. I think we can keep going. Yeah, right? My opinion on the Mini? I would say... I feel like it's one of the best weapons in the game. It's one of the best weapons in the game because you can use it for anything. Sniper, close range, medium range, AR, like, it's just great. It's such a great weapon. So, I feel like it's one of the easier weapons to really get used to. It's one of the easier weapons because the bullet velocity and the bullet drop is that of like is like that of an AWM. At the same time, the fire rate of, you know, like how fast you tap it with the recoil is that of like an M16. So it's one of the best weapons to get. Like an all-in-one type of weapon, then, you know, Mini 14 works out for you. See what he had. Let's keep going. Still gotta keep going. I do hope no one's behind me. Every time I get out of the water like that, I always feel like someone's like coming up behind me. I got no cover. I know, I need to get rid of Gremlin's bot. It doesn't do anything good anymore. Absolutely. Maybe I can ban it. Maybe that'll work. I don't know. I'll try that. I'll try banning the bot and see if that might work. So I don't know how to take it off. It was something that was integrated by a friend of a friend, and it's just kind of like obsolete now at this point. Yeah, I'm gonna try to. Let's see if I can do that after this game. I don't know if it'll work, but we'll see, man. Woo! Damn, that is long as hell. All right, we gotta go. Jesus. Jesus. As far as hell. Good God. I'm probably gonna run into someone here. Yesterday it was pretty bad for me. Yesterday I was having like the worst luck of the gods, man. Bad circles, bad loot. Like it was just every single game. Like, ooh, it's horrible, man. For those of you that were there, you guys know how bad it was, man. Lag's pretty bad today. Yeah, I've noticed. You know, it's. I just want to say it's like the usual. Nothing too bad, you know, just the same usual annoying lag that just never goes away. Let's go. Oh yeah, Ghost. Yeah, I'm proud of the Legion for being able to raise up to $10,000. That was awesome. It was cool. You think I probably stole someone's car? I don't know. Hey. I don't remember this being here. Is this new? It's gotta be new. Minimap should be fine now, guys. So mini 14 up here. Let's go scope it out. Thanks, Reaper DNA. Thank you, buddy. Shit, I'm gonna go over here then. It's got to be up here somewhere. There it is. I just caught a single bit of them. It's going to be right over this hill. I hope this is the same guy. I don't know. Something tells me it's not, but... Oh, shit. Circle. That's him. Better move this way. Oh my god. Jesus. He has some good shots on him, man. Amazing shots. I still want to challenge him, nope. Damn, he's got some great cover up there. He's got some amazing cover. I'm gonna go over here. Got him. That's him. Pretty sure that's him. Pretty sure. I hope that was him. He had a level 3 helmet, so I'm definitely going to take it. Nope, that wasn't him. That's not good. Alright, so this guy's running Mini 14 and Car 98. 2, 1, 0. Oh! What the hell? That guy came out of nowhere! Holy shit! Holy crap, this guy really wanted to get a headshot on me. Holy shit. Yeah, there's a lot of people here. I need to get some first aid kits. There we go. Much better. Let's keep going. I know. I want everyone to see my minimap, so that way they can see how the circle is ending. That's fine. I promise. 7 people left. All the way back here. I think I have time. I got time. Lots of shots over here. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh god. 3 people left. There's gonna be someone coming in from here. For real? And I think there's gonna be another one. Oh geez, that's actually a lot of space. That's a lot of space. Let's go over here instead. Let's go over here. Space. Two people left. There's got to be one dude over here somewhere. He might be prone too. There he is. Last guy's got to be somewhere over here. 12 seconds left. There it is. GG's, guys.